This home has very high ceilings, cathedral type ceilings, knocked down, acoustic texture on the ceilings as well. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Caroline in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. It is wood framed. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Caroline in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa that is wood framed. You will see, friends, once we get inside, there are a lot of updates in this home. This home is in immaculate condition. I will first start by taking a panoramic view of the street. First, I will pan left. That is facing west, friends. Then I will pan to the right. That is facing east. You can see it is in a quiet neighborhood. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your showing agent today. Her name is Melissa Mann. That is her contact information with Realty Executives. You would notice that as we walk up to this home, it does have a concrete driveway that is in very good condition. It does have stone landscaping, and of course, it has the white picket fence, which is common here for patio villas in the Villages, Florida. It does have a 1.5 car garage with windows in the garage door. You can also call Gail Damon. That is your listing agent if you have further questions. So you can contact Gail or Melissa. As we walk up to the front of this home, you do see the stone landscaping. The front of this home does face south, and the back of the home faces north. Here is the side patio yard of this colony patio villa. It does have a lanai in the front of the home. This lanai is screened in. The screens look in very good condition too, friends. As we enter the lanai, you will see this lanai does have carpeted floors. Has a nice seating area, very comfortable area in the front of the home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area. And the first thing I notice is this beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. This is a colony patio villa, and I do have the showing agent Melissa here. Maybe she can give us a small introduction of this home.
Hi Tim, I'm Melissa with Realty Executives in the Villages, and this is a 2-2 colony villa. It is been nicely redone, freshly painted, no carpet, new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, epoxy countertops. You'll notice the custom cabinets in the kitchen. This home is nicely redone with a great price at $315,000.
Okay, thank you, Melissa. And if anybody has questions, they can contact you. I will leave your contact information in the description of the video, or they can contact the listing agent as well. And I did leave her contact information in the description of the video as well. I will video the specification sheet. I will describe what I see. And I will tour the home. I'll give my subscribers a tour. As I mentioned before, this home has lots of upgrades. Has beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. Very neutrally colored home as well. It does have a new roof, or newer roof, like Melissa said. That roof was put on in the year 2022. This luxury vinyl flooring was installed in 2022 as well. You can see the kitchen is a colony patio kitchen. It has a natural gas stove, white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. You can see it has a 2-bowl sink. That is epoxy. That is an epoxy over the original countertop. You can see these cabinets are an upgrade. That would be your pantry cabinet. That is a solar tube in the kitchen area there, friends. There's also a solar tube in the foyer area right above the entry door. That is your dinette. The furniture does not convey with this home. I will video the specification sheet. You can contact Gail or Melissa. This home is located at 313 Starr Lane in the Villages. List price $315,000. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. Feel free to pause the video at any point. I really do appreciate it. I will turn the specification sheet over. There is the second side of your specification sheet. We are in the village of Caroline, in the Villages, Florida. Very desirable location. Next, I will walk out into the garage. It is a 1.5 car garage. It has beautiful wainscoting too here in the kitchen. That's awesome wainscoting right there. This is a 1.5 car garage. It does have painted floors, concrete floors. It's in very good condition. This home is super clean. It does have a sink in the garage. It does have mechanicals, the HVAC system, and the hot water heater were replaced in the year 2016. That is your HVAC and hot water heater. You do have the laundry in the garage. I believe that wash machine is relatively new in the year 2022. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. There are oak cabinets also. Let's take a tour through the rest of this home, friends. This home has very high ceilings, cathedral type ceilings, acoustic texture on the ceilings as well. The luxury vinyl plank runs throughout this home. You will see the primary bedroom on the left, the guest bedroom on the right, and then you do have a guest bathroom as well. And you do see the luxury vinyl floor in that guest bathroom. It has one sink, white cabinets, epoxy countertops. They're beautiful. Acoustic texture ceilings. It does have a sink and shower surround. That shower surround is plastic or fiberglass. Off into the guest bedroom. Luxury vinyl plank floor continues. Very high vaulted ceiling. Acoustic textured. That is a king-size bed, friends, to give you perspective of the size of that room. And the size of that room is 12 feet by 12 feet. This is the back of the home. It does face north. There is your closet. You do have raised panel white doors. Those are sliding doors. That is your closet. Wire rack shelf. This home has many upgrades. Here is a linen closet. This would be a linen closet for the guest bathroom. Here is your primary bedroom. You do see the luxury vinyl plank floors continuing. You do see the high vaulted type ceiling with acoustic texture. That also is a king-size bed, friends. To give you perspective, the size of this room is 16 feet by 12 feet. I will walk into the corner. I'll spin around and I'll give you a panoramic view of this bedroom. It does have a walk-in closet off to the left. The primary bathroom is off to the right. There is your primary bathroom. It does have a 48-inch shower that is plastic or fiberglass. You do see the white vanity one sink. You do have the epoxy countertops again. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. This is the closet in your primary bedroom. It is a walk-in closet. Has wire rack shelves as well. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. This closet does go off to the right. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Feel free to leave comments below. The real estate agents do monitor the comments and they do appreciate any comments you make. They will respond to your comments as well. I'm just giving you one last panoramic view of this home. Very nice, light and bright, neutral color scheme. Oh, also a video. They do have like an overview sheet of this home. I'll give you a view of that. 318 Starr Ln, $315,000. There is your realtor contact information. The showing agent is Melissa Mann. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will now walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street and give you one last view of the home as well. First, I will walk and give you a closer view of the side yard. That is your side yard there, friends. I will walk out to the street now. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. You do see the stone landscaping. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. As always, friends, if you are interested, you have more questions, contact Melissa, the showing agent, or Gail, your listing agent. That's her contact information. And I will show you one last time Melissa's contact information. Melissa Mann, Realty Executives. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I'll give you one last panoramic view of the home. That is your home, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom colony patio villa that is wood framed, located here in the village of Caroline, offered at $315,000. Thank you for liking. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me here in the village of Caroline in the Villages, Florida. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa is offered at $315,000. Take care, everyone.